Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Join me as I try to grow my wealth fast using some of the most proven money hacks out there. Today, I want to show you how using effective money hacks can help you achieve financial success and live the life you've always dreamed of. We'll dive into actionable tips and tricks that can make a real difference in your financial journey. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your wealth to the next level, these money hacks will give you a solid foundation for success. So let's get started. Alright, let's talk about expenses. We all know that spending money is a part of life. Essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities are unavoidable. But non-essential spending, those little luxuries, can sabotage our wealth-building goals. That daily $5 latte might seem insignificant, but over a year that's almost $2,000. Impulsive weekend getaways, the latest gadgets, designer clothes, they all take a huge bite out of your potential savings. Many people don't realize how much they're overspending because they're not tracking their expenses. It's like driving with your eyes closed. Track every dollar you spend, whether through a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook. When you track your spending, you become aware of your spending patterns and start making more conscious decisions about your money. It's about making smart choices and finding a balance between enjoying your money today and investing in your future. Let's talk about debt, the big bad wolf of personal finance. It's a topic that many people avoid, but it's crucial to confront it head-on if you want to achieve financial freedom. Debt is the one thing that can keep you trapped in a cycle of financial stress and prevent you from building real wealth. It can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, making it hard to move forward. Not all debt is created equal. Some types of debt can actually be beneficial, while others can be detrimental to your financial health. Good debt, like a mortgage on a rental property, can help you build wealth over time. This type of debt is often considered an investment because it has the potential to generate income and appreciate in value. But bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, is a financial drain. It doesn't contribute to your wealth and can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. When you're in debt, especially high-interest debt, you're essentially working for your creditors. Every dollar you earn is partially going to pay off that debt, limiting your financial freedom. Credit cards charge exorbitant interest rates, often in the double digits. This means that even a small balance can grow quickly if you're not careful. If you're only making minimum payments, you'll be paying off that debt for years. The interest compounds, making it difficult to get ahead. Student loans are another major source of debt for many people. While they can be an investment in your future, they can also become a burden if not managed properly. Taking on massive student loan debt can have long-term financial consequences. It can delay your ability to buy a home, start a family, or save for retirement. So, how do you break free from the shackles of debt? Acknowledge the problem and commit to tackling it head-on. It starts with a mindset shift and a willingness to make sacrifices. Create a debt payoff plan, prioritize your debts, and consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. These methods can help you stay organized and motivated. Be disciplined and stay committed to your plan even when it gets tough. Consistency is key, and every small step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Remember, becoming debt-free is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and a clear vision of your financial goals. Stay focused, and you'll eventually break free from the shackles of debt. In the world of personal finance, knowledge is power. Without a basic understanding of financial concepts, you're essentially flying blind. Financial literacy empowers you to take control of your money and make informed decisions. It's about understanding how money works, how to manage it effectively, and how to make it work for you. Focus on key areas of financial literacy: budgeting, investing, debt management, and insurance. Budgeting means tracking your income and expenses and allocating your money towards your financial goals. Investing is the engine that drives wealth creation. Learn about different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. Educate yourself about different types of debt, interest rates, and debt management strategies. Insurance protects you from financial ruin in the face of unexpected events. Learn about different types of insurance and make sure you have adequate coverage. Stay informed about personal finance news and trends. We've all heard it before, budgeting is the key to financial success. But what does that really mean? Essentially, budgeting is about making a plan for your money so you can make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary stress. But let's be honest, the word budget doesn't exactly spark joy in most people's minds. It often conjures up images of restriction and sacrifice. Budgeting doesn't have to be a drag. In fact, it can be quite empowering. When you know where your money is going, you gain control over your financial future. Think of it as a financial roadmap that guides you towards your financial goals. Just like a GPS helps you navigate to your destination, a budget helps you reach your financial milestones. Creating a budget is like setting financial goals on autopilot. It ensures that you are consistently working towards your objectives without having to constantly think about it. It takes the guesswork out of managing your money and provides a clear framework for making spending decisions. This clarity can reduce financial anxiety and help you make better choices. Find a system that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Whether it's a traditional spreadsheet, a mobile app, or even a simple notebook, the best budget is the one you can stick to. The 50/30/20 budget is a popular option that's easy to follow. It provides a balanced approach to managing your finances. This method allocates 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This simple structure can help you prioritize your spending and ensure you're saving enough for the future. Track your spending diligently, review your budget regularly, and make adjustments as needed. This ongoing process will help you stay on track and adapt to any changes in your financial situation. Remember, your budget is a living document that should evolve with your changing financial circumstances and goals. It's not set in stone, and flexibility is key to long-term success. Creating and sticking to a budget is one of the most effective money hacks for growing your wealth fast. By taking control of your finances, you pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. Managing money effectively is as much about mindset as it is about strategy. It's about understanding your relationship with money and recognizing the habits that either help or hinder your financial progress. You can have the best financial plan, but without discipline and motivation, you're unlikely to achieve your financial goals. It's essential to stay committed and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. It's about developing healthy financial habits and staying focused on your goals. Consistency is key, and small daily actions can lead to significant long-term results. Set clear, specific, and measurable financial goals. These goals should be realistic and achievable, giving you a clear path to follow. Having a clear vision of what you're working towards can be incredibly motivating. Visualize your success and keep that image in your mind as you work towards your goals. Break down your big goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This makes the journey less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small wins along the way. Find an accountability partner or a support system. Having someone to share your progress with can provide encouragement and keep you on track. Sharing your goals with someone you trust can make a world of difference. They can offer support, advice, and celebrate your achievements with you. Celebrate your successes no matter how small. Recognizing your progress can boost your motivation and reinforce positive financial behaviors. Acknowledging and rewarding yourself for your progress can reinforce positive financial behaviors. It's important to appreciate how far you've come. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a long-term perspective. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. It's important to stay resilient and adapt to changes as they come. But with discipline, motivation, and a commitment to your financial well-being, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your financial dreams. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. So there you have it. Those are some of the most effective money hacks that can help you grow your wealth fast. Remember, it's not about overnight riches or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about making smart choices, developing healthy financial habits, and staying committed to your financial goals for the long haul. Whether you're just starting your wealth-building journey or looking to take your finances to the next level, these money hacks can make a real difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite money hack. If you want to learn more about growing your wealth fast and achieving financial freedom, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.